Want to know the great thing about having livestock? We had squash vine borers get into our squash and zucchini plants, so they're just not thriving, they're not producing. It's just, I mean, it's flowering and just not good. So the good news is that some of these will go to the chickens, a lot of it will go to the pigs, and then about one leaf or two is going to go, and probably some flowers are going to go over to the rabbits. So everything that we have here is going to be able to eat what essentially wasn't producing for us. So this is some of the stuff that I picked for the rabbits to eat. So you'll see here, this squash plant, if it focuses, isn't pollinated well, and that probably has something to do with why it's not growing, but it's just super soft and icky and just not thriving here. So we're gonna go over and give it to the rabbit. Do you want some goodies? Yeah. Here we go, right here. Here, you see this? Give you. Oh goodness, the flowers. They're the best, huh, Bubba? Hmm? There's another one. You got the best parts. You were there eating the leaves. Yeah. It is good stuff, huh? So the good thing is like feeding stuff from your garden. Your rabbits actually don't need much to eat within a day. I mean, I'll probably give them a little handful of pellet to feed later tonight, but I mean, this is pretty much what they need. Oh, it's the best stuff. Isn't it? I'm gonna set this right there for you. I know, baby. You want me to hand feed it to you? These are spoiled rabbits. These are going to be our breeders. We have to get a male. But these are going to be our breeder girls right here. They're going to give us tons of yummy babies to eat. And I do say eat. We aren't going to eat them. That's kind of my rule. Normally the first animal we get of any species that we're planning on for food around the farm is kind of going to be what I would consider our pet ones. They're going to be the ones that you're going to get the most attached to. So whenever people say, you know, oh, how can you possibly eat them? Well, by the time that the babies come along, we've already got the ones that we're attached to. So to us, it's just not, you're not as easily attached to them. Here you go, I'll put it down there for you, Bubba. Back, chickens, back, back. So we can work on for that. Cheese. You cannot just follow me around for everything. Come on, let's go take them to the pigs. That's right. Go run back to the pig pen. Only one that's able to get out. And they are waiting for this huge pile of squash and zucchini plants. So, Cheese is gonna go run back in and join them. And then we've got pepperoni, sausage, and our big girl Maple waiting. Here we go. Ooh. They're just gonna dive right in. But yeah, that's what happens to the garden when it's not producing anymore. Ooh, I see a random central mushroom. Hold on. Squirrel. Distracted. Oh, beautiful. Oh, that lets me know that I need to go back harvesting again. Oh, that's a beauty right there. So centrales are not like other mushrooms. You don't have to essentially clip this part right here. A lot of mushrooms you have to clip them at their tail, their base, because that's how the mycelium is released. But central mushrooms actually put mycelium, oops, that's depressing, into the soil itself for the roots. So that's why they always are going to grow back kind of in the same patch every single year. Got some more that are going to be popping up all around. That's not one, the red one. That's definitely not one. There's some more up here. See, this is what happens when you go out after a rain. There's no pretty way to pick these, but I'll soak these in some like warm salt water, and that should help get all this off. It's nice. Took stuff out for the piggies and all the other animals, and I got me some mushrooms for lunch and stuff. It's a good find.